A very warm evening to everyone. Welcome to Vricham TV. This is Aishwarya Sri presenting the news for the day. Today's headlines. The PSLV C-49 rocket was launched at 3:02 p.m. carrying 10 satellites from Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. Chief Minister Edappadi Palaniswamy has said that 7.5% allocation for medical education will only apply to students studying in the government schools. Devotees are allowed to walk along the hill path in Tirupati and see the 7 hills after 7 months. Action by a very small margin between Biden-Trump in the registered votes in the presidential election, re-vote count as the only difference between the two candidates was 1,908 votes. The 8th round of talks between India and China military officials lasted more than 9 hours. National Cancer Awareness Day is celebrated in India on 7th November to instruct people about cancer, its treatment, its symptoms and its consequences. Permission has been granted to open museums, art galleries and exhibitions functioning under the Central Ministry of Culture from the 10th. Today in Bihar, more than 2.3 crore people across 78 constituencies voted in their third phase of elections. Reopening of schools, college in Tamil Nadu will be decided on November 9. The Arunachaleshwara temple at Tiruvannamalai is gearing up for a simple Kartigai Deepam festival this year. The Mahadeepam falls on November 29. Health Minister said a total of 75 volunteers have received the first dose of Covishield, one of the COVID-19 vaccine candidates, as part of the ongoing trial and will receive the second dose a month later. Pollutants from farm fires in Punjab, Haryana and neighbouring regions were said to be playing a major role in deterioration of Delhi NCR's air quality, which continued to remain close to severe level on Friday. Veggie prices remain high due to the fewer arrivals. Price of 1 kg onion climbs from 70 rupees to 80 rupees. Brinjals and potatoes sold for a higher price. Rates may take a month to stabilize. Apple has released iOS 14.2. This new release will bring 100 new emojis for iPad and iPhone users. Sports news. Hyderabad beat Bangalore by 6 wickets in the eliminator of the IPL to advance the second qualifying round. The 2020-21 Indian Super League season will be the 7th season of the Indian Super League. The top professional football league in India is expected to run from November 2020 to March 2021 and will be hosted behind closed doors across 3 venues in Goa due to the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic in India. Weather report. The Chennai Meteorological Department has forecast heavy rains in 20 districts of Tamil Nadu for the next 2 days. Corona updates. Fresh cases of COVID-19. Tamil Nadu's tally touched 7,39,147 on Friday. Day special. Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman, Indian physicist, was born in Tiruchirappalli, India, 1970. He had received Nobel Prize in 1930 for his work on the scattering of light and for the discovery of effect named after him, Raman effect. With this, me, Aishwarya Sri, signing off with the note of keep watching Vricham TV, stay tuned and stay happy. Thank you.